halfway, so I've decided to walk around here, the port a little bit. The port authority approved it. Just noticed we got a pump boat here. Actually, we've got another one coming in here too. We got a little island out here. I have to get out my map and see which island it is, but we got a little barrier island here between San Carlos and Cebu, and they have the shuttle service on these pump boats back. Not much longer than that. It looks like a big, beautiful pink resort down there, and that kind of sticks out in the middle of all these islands. And Cebu's in the background. I can see Cebu Island in the background. I don't know if y'all can see it on the video, but it sticks up over the top. The mountains stick up over the top of this little island here. Pretty nice view. This little boat here is their shuttle from San Carlos to Cebu City. If you don't have a motorcycle, you're just traveling on foot, you can catch one of these fast craft boats. This is rather an old one. Got twin air conditioners on the top, so it's probably got a pretty cold cabin on it. Looking at the stern of this fast boat here, and it's got Cebu written on there, but if you can see in the letters, it looks like Japanese writing. I've seen a lot of the boats here in the Philippines that were purchased from Japan and China. I think mostly from Japan. Instead of buying new boats, I see a lot of these, even big ships with Japanese writing on it. They painted over it. Some of it's welded on so they don't grind them off. But these are probably Japanese boats. One time when they were new. Come on, let them. No, you're going to be. Huh? Waki? Yeah, Waki. Okay, guys. Well, this is video. Oh, no. Yes, it's video. Recording us? Yes. Why are you recording us? Because I have a YouTube channel. Oh, you have a YouTube? What is your YouTube channel? My Philippine Journey. Oh, your Philippine. I will subscribe on it. Okay. And I see you up there. Now, I'm traveling around the Philippines on a motorcycle, and I live in Iloilo City. Oh, you live in Iloilo? Oh, 2 years. What is your motorcycle? Yamaha, right there. That one? How many cc? 110. 110 cc. That's good. Slow. Yeah, very slow. Why did you buy 110? Cheap. No money. Alright, here's my boat coming in. That's a kind of ragged looking boat. And it's full. It's called the Lite Ferries, and that's what I'm going to be getting on here in a minute. They're going to have to unload. And we've got a departure time in about 15 minutes. About an hour, I mean. But that's it. Let's see what happens here. Well, here's the boat trying to stern in and back in. He's got to get his stern over far enough to clear the dock. And he's got a stern line out, and the guys are going to get on and try to pull him over probably. They already got a bow line secured. That's a big boat. They've got a deck winch on there. That deck winch is pulling that stern rope. That's clever. They've done this a couple of times before. And you see a guy back there on the port ramp, walking ramp. He's cleaning and scraping.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, hi.
You picture it here.
Huh?
Here, because we are.
Oh, okay. The motor okay there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. You want to get on my channel? Wave. Okay. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Friendly guys here. Now there's a ramp coming down. Did you hear about all these ferries that I hate to keep using the word sink, but some of them do. This is what they look like. This is what they look like when they come in, and we've got a beautiful day today. These guys know what they're doing. Everybody's anxious to get off. Take note of that. You notice they're only using the port ramp. So if you're aboard one of these vessels, make mind of what ramp you go up on, so you can leave and not have to. You can be in the front of the line. Funeral home. They're giving him special attention. There must be a casket there. Oh, there is. I can see it. This is kind of, they're going to give him priority over all the other vessels. There's the casket in there. So they have a casket on board this vessel coming from Cebu City, and then Manapala Funeral Homes is picking it up. Now we've got all these helpers or porters are all going to load the casket. I don't know if that's actually their casket or if it's a casket wrapped up in boxed in a plywood. There we go. Loading it up. I don't know why they don't move those ropes. They got a reason for it though. Maybe not to hurt the edge of the ramp. They love their whistles here. They like their noises in the Philippines. To whistle or music or motorcycle, they like it loud. that's got to be the passengers ready to board. That's why I'm glad I got my ticket right away. I was here early. Got your bathrooms upstairs over the top of that boat, be it on the stern of the vessel, or the CR. I have to keep remembering who my audience is here in my videos. And the Cirrus bus lines. They don't have much room for clearance on overhead, just a few inches. And he's going back without any passengers. Ah, I got 2 in the back. Okay, so much for offloading the Lite Ferries. A couple of foreigners, Filipino family, picking them up. They just showed up here. I don't know why all of us foreigners are fat, but we are. Compared to the Filipinos, of course. The Cirrus bus did actually have, were empty, but the passengers that go on the Cirrus buses were not allowed to be on the bus until the buses got off the ferry. So that's how they do it. They get off the ferry and then they go upstairs and hang out on the boat, and then they load the buses afterward.